Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. Dear students, in our previous class, I taught you how to divide a number by one digit numbers. Today, I will teach you how to divide a number by two digits and three digits number. I am going to make you understand with the help of examples. I will also teach you how to verify division, that after division the quotient and the remainder we have got is correct or not. So let's start with the help of an example. Example number 1 I am going to take. It is divide 7354 by 12. Example, divide 7354 by 12. Okay, so we write like this: solution seven thousand 354 divided by 12. As we are seeing, our division is of two digits, so we take two digits from the dividend. When we take two digits from the dividend and if it is smaller than the divisor, we will take three digits from the dividend. But in this case, we are observing the two digits from the dividend is greater than our divisor. Extreme left digits we have to take, not this side. Always we take digits to the extreme left of the dividend. So we will take two digits, that will be number 73. Now we read the table of 12 to reach up to 73. It will be less than or is equal to. So when you read the table of 12, you will find 12 6 ja 72 and 12 7 ja 84. So 7 times it will go. Then here we have to write 84, which is not correct. So we will write 6 times. 12 6 ja 72. Now we will subtract. 3 minus 2 1. 7 minus 7 0. So we will cross it. Now next digit will come down, that is 5 will come here. Here we have 15 and we know 15 is greater than 12. So we can divide it by one time. As you know, 12 1 ja 12. Again we subtract it. So 5 minus 2 3, 1 minus 1 0. So we cross it here. Now the last digit will come, that is 4 here. So we have number 34. We read table of 12 to reach nearby 34. You will read the table of 12, then you will get 12 2 ja 24 and 12 3 ja 36. So we cannot write 3 times, we will write only 2 times. So 12 2 ja 24. Now we will subtract 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 2 1. So we got in this case remainder 10. Means when we divided 7,354 by 12, we got quotient 612 and remainder 10. Now, how to verify that the quotient and remainder we have got is correct or not? So, we write here verification. Generally, when we multiply quotient to divisor and add a remainder, we should get dividend. Means in verification we write dividend is equal to this relation. You remember always, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means to check whether our division is correct or not, we write this relation dividend is equal to divisor plus into quotient plus remainder. And when we write our divisor, quotient and remainder and we get is equal to dividend, we understand our divisor is correct. So here is equal to, we have divisor 12, so we write here 12 multiplied by, we have quotient 612, so we write here 612 and we have remainder 10, we write plus 10. You must have solved simplification. We first here multiply these two numbers and then in the product we add 10. So when you multiply it, you see here the multiplication 612 multiplied by 12. 2 to the 4, 1 to the 2, 6 to the 12. 2 1 the 2, 1 1 the 1, 6 1 the 6. 4 4 3 7. Means our product is here 7,344. Then we write plus 10. When you add, you will get 7,354, which is equal to dividend. It means our division is correct. So whenever any division given to you, you divide the numbers and you can check the result, that you can verify your division whether your division is correct or not. So it was an example of division by 2-digit number. Now I am going to solve one more example, and it is example of division by 3-digit number. I hope you understood this one. So the next example you try to understand. I am taking next example. Divide 7,65,700 by 325. Divide 7,65,700 by 325. 625. Now I am going to divide a number by 3 digits number. Try to understand. We again write solution 7,65,700 in bracket here, and then 325 here. As in previous case, we had division with 2 digit number, so we were taking 2 digits from the dividend of extreme left. Here also we take 3 digits, as we are going to divide by 3 digit number. So we take 3 digits from the dividend, extreme 3 digits. So these 3 digits we take, and then we try to read the table, or we write multiplication table for 325 to reach nearby 765. As 325 1 ja 325 and 325 2 ja. When you multiply it 325 by 2, you will get 650. So 650 is nearby this. Otherwise, if 3 times you will take, you will get 975. So we cannot write 3 times of this. So we write here 2 times of this. It will be here 650. Then we subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. And 7 minus 6, 1. Now 7 will come from here. Now we have number 1157. Again we write the multiplication table for 325. So 325 to the 650. If you multiply by 3, you will get 975, and if you multiply by 4, so you see, if only you multiply 300 to 4, we get 1200. But here we have 1157. So we write 3 times. 325 3 java 975. Then you will subtract. 7 minus 5, 2. From 5 we cannot subtract 7, so we take 1 more. So 15 minus 7, 8. Here will be 0 left. Now 1 and 0. So 10 minus 9, 1. Now we take 1 0 from up. We read again table of this. This time we are seeing here is 1800. So 3 6 ja 18. You think of 6 times, but here is 20, and 25 6 ja 150. So we cannot take 6 times. So we will take 5 times. So 5 ja here. Now 325 5 ja. You can write here by multiplying 5 5 ja 25, carry 2. 2 5 ja take 2, 12, carry 1, and 3 5 ja 15 and 1 16. Then you will subtract. When you will subtract 0 minus 5, it will not be subtracted. So you will take 1, borrow from digit at tens place. So it will become 10 minus 5, 5. It will be left 1, and from 1 we cannot subtract 2. So we take 1 borrow from here. So from 8 we take borrow, it will become 11, and 11 minus 2, 9. Here it will be left 7. 7 minus 6, 1. And this 1 minus 1, 0, so we cross it here. Now 1 more 0 left, so we will bring it here. Now when you read 6 times table of 325, 5 6 ja 30 carry 3, 2 6 are 12, 3 15 carry 1 and 3 6 are 18, 1 19. Minus 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5 4. So we got here remainder 0. This cross means you can understand our remainder is 0. So in this case again we will verify our answer where we have got quotient that is correct or not and remainder we have got 0. So we again write verification and dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now I am putting the value of divisor. Here in this case we have divisor 325 and our quotient is here 2356. 2356 plus 0. 0 is our remainder. So when you write 0 and you will add 0 to any number, the sum will be the number itself. So in next step we can write by multiplying these two numbers. So you multiply here 2356 multiplied by 325. First we multiply by 5. So just now we have written 19. No, it will not be. 6 5 ja 6 5 ja 30, 0 carry 3. 5 5 ja 25 and 3 28 carry 2. 3 5 ja 15 to 17 carry 1 and 2 5 ja 10 and 1 11. Then 6 to the 12, 2 here carry 1, 5 to the 10 and 1 11, 1 carry 1, 3 to the 6 and 1 7 and 2 to the 4. Then 6 3 ja 18 carry 1, 5 3 ja 15 1 16 carry 1, 3 3 ja 9 1 10 0 carry 1 and 2 3 ja 6 1 7. Now we will add 0 here 8 plus 2 10 0 carry 1 7 1 8 1 9 and 8 17 17 7 carry 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 7 9 plus 6 15 5 carry 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 6 and here will be 7. So we will write here 7,765,700 plus 0 and it will be 765,700 means 7,65,700 and you can match this with your dividend. What are you finding? Our dividend is equal to this number. It means our division is correct. So in this way you have to solve questions of exercise 7.3. First 15 questions you have to solve. There you have not to verify, but after that you have to verify your answer. Okay. So I hope you understood how to divide a number by 2 digits and 3 digits number. So you have your homework. Exercise 7.3. Solve questions of exercise 7.3. Thank you students. Bye.